Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a great day. Guess what's back in action? Tili, which is the Try It, Love It from QVC. So let's get in here and see what they're putting in their boxes again. In full disclosure, I have had this box for a little while. It came and I set it aside with something else and then I forgot all about it. It was somewhere where I don't see and I forgot I had it. So I will get on and let you know right here if this exact box is still available. But more importantly, QVC has gone back to doing the Tili boxes, which stands for Try It, Love It. And it's just samples, full sizes, actually there's usually several full sizes, of items that they sell on QVC. It usually has a great value. It is $25, and when you sign up now, you can sign up on auto delivery. And I have already gotten notification that my next one is getting ready to ship, which probably means I've had this almost a month. But they also sell them separately, so you might, like I said, still be able to get this. I've let you know. Let's open it up. I love that it's another one of those nice thick boxes that is so reusable, and it kind of has this slightly cheetah, slightly coffee bean look to the front. And when you open it up, the inside, they just squish all of the paper around it to keep it as well protected as they can. And that's what the inside looks like. I have 0% idea what's in here. When I saw that they were doing Tili again, I got on and ordered it and tried to pay as little attention as possible to what was going to be in it. Let's glass up and dive right in. Right on top, these are adorable. I have La Touche Finale mini nail stickers, and they are the La Petite Jardin Floral Edition. And that is what they look like. They are super, does that help or hurt? Probably better like that, right? They are super cute. It's just tiny little flowers. They would be sort of fun for spring. I'm not sure if I will use them or pass them along to my granddaughters, but they are really cute. Actually, it would look nice with this blue that I am still wearing because it still looks good a week in, because I use, the Essie, it's a gel top coat, but it comes off just like a regular nail polish would, but it's their gel top coat. And I mean, your nails just don't chip. It's fantastic. Reaching in next, I have a Win Truth by Chaz Dean. Looks like a little sample of a perfume. That is the front. I didn't get any paperwork with this. Very interesting. I have nothing. Okay. Well, this says, live your truth with the deep, rich green notes that are elevated by bright citrus accord of grapefruit and Eureka lemon, creating a vibrant, inspiring fragrance. Well, I'm not going to spray this because I'm not sure if it has real grapefruit in it or not, and I am allergic to grapefruit. So I will just set this aside for a giveaway. And reaching in next, we have the Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiant Polishing Mask and 8 Super Orange Essence. That is what that looks like. It says it gently exfoliates your skin. Pumpkin brightens the skin, turmeric soothes the skin, ginger evens the skin tone, and papaya helps with discoloration. Smooth a thin layer on clean, damp skin, relax and leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Gently massage with circular motions and rinse off for 30 seconds. Use 3 to 4 times a week. It's sealed, so let's go ahead and open this up and try it on the back of my hand. Oh, it's just shooting out. It won't stop. Oh no, I probably wasted half of what was in this bottle. I wonder why it did that. That is so weird. All right, well, that is unfortunate. It smells kind of like a cross between a turmeric and a citrus. I like the scent of it very much. It's very thick and tacky on the back of my hand. So I guess you would just smooth the thin layer out like I've just put on the back of my hand and leave it for a few minutes and then wipe it off and you're good and exfoliated. Well, you know what? Let's just leave it on there. Try and keep my hand out of anything else and move on, and we'll see how it feels. Next I have, this is the Win Restorative Cleansing Conditioner in Light. I've never tried that. It is rice-based and gluten-free. And extra credit, they have gotten super smart and they sent us a pump with this one. We have gotten Win products in the past in these boxes and they haven't sent the pump, and it's so thick that it is very difficult to use without the pump. So this is fantastic. I don't think I've ever actually smelled the Light, so we're gonna smell it. I used to use Win. I used it exclusively for probably 3 years, and you know how you just get tired of things and you move on. It was very nice. Very light. I know it said that, right? Kind of rainforesty, spa-like, you know what I'm saying? I like it. I will probably use it. Something else it was always good for that I always used it for when I had it in the fridge. No, I kept it in the shower with me. Words are hard. Is it makes a great shaving lotion. It's for shaving your legs. It smooths them right up. It is great for that. So I am letting you know right here the prices of these things if I can, and this I most certainly can because it's full size. This is probably like $29. Moving on next, I have a Good Genes by Sunday Riley. This is a lactic acid treatment. Let me go ahead and set this aside for a giveaway. It is 0.17 fluid ounces, which is 5 ml, so it will give you a chance probably to try it quite a few times because I hear it does not take a lot of this. So someone who can take lactic acid will get a chance to try that. I have another sample. It is the Peter Thomas Roth Firm Collagen Moisturizer, 7 forms of collagen and collagen supporting ingredients. Well, I hope I can use this because collagen is so good for your face. Use twice daily on cleansed face and neck. Okay, that was good and sealed, but I opened it, so let's put a little bit on this hand. It has a gel look to it, very gel looking. This is just a great way if you like QVC at all, or actually they do really great beauty sales sometimes. It's just a great way to try the brands that QVC sells. Almost no scent. Yeah, almost no scent. And the back of my hand feels amazing. I hope that I can use this on my face because that feels fantastic. And I would love to try that because Peter Thomas Roth is a great brand. Okay, I've got to get this off of here because my sleeve is working down into that stickiness. Let's see if in those couple of minutes we can see any difference. When compared, yes. When I compare this hand to this hand, this one is so much smoother. Yeah, I hope I can use that on my face. This is so smooth and soft. I haven't even put lotion on it yet, and it feels so soft. Okay, next we have a Westmore Beauty, I don't know this one, 60-second eye effects, tinted firming gel, lift, smooth, and brighten. This multitasking miracle is formulated with Flex Sensor technology to instantly smooth wrinkles, soothe puffiness, and brighten dark circles. Second Skin formula blends and breathes with you, so there's no caking or cracking. So this must be one of those ones. I will try and do this on Insta. This must be one of the ones, wow, it looks like it could be full size, that you put under your eyes and it literally tightens up so it doesn't last forever. But I think it's one of those ones that just literally tightens your skin. Like I said, I will try and do this over on Insta so we can look together and see if it really works because I could definitely use some depuffing and tightening under my eyes. Next we have the Mind Tan Illuminating Luxe Oil. And it is a face and body self-tan drops. The beauty of the self-tanning drops is you can put them in anything. You can, if you have a moisturizer you really like, you can slip this into that. You know, put a couple drops in your body moisturizer as you use it, or in your face moisturizer as you use it. You can use 1 drop or 10 drops. You can decide how much you use. Let's see. Oh, and I like it because, look, it's wet like liquid, not like oil. I like that. The ones that are like oil, it can be tough sometimes to get them out and get them dropping and stay even with them with the oils. I feel like this might be easier. I will be hoping to try this. I bought so many self-tanners thinking we were going to be stuck inside and I would self-tan. I didn't. So I have a lot of self-tanners already on the shelf. I'm going to have to get to tanning. And last we have Backlash High Definition Mascara. Oh, from Belle Beauty. Belle Beauty is by Kim Gravel, and she does, well, I was going to say clothes on QVC, but she does makeup too. She started doing clothes, and I actually like some of her clothes. I have some of her shirts. This is in bold black, and while I like the bristles because they are the plastic ones, and I personally like the plastic bristles versus the real hairy looking ones because I have such small, short lashes, this is easier to keep off of. I'm just better with these. But that is really unusual. Can you see that it like goes in and out and in and out and in and out just over and over again? It smells like almost nothing. I always prepare to say, yeah, it smells like mascara. This one smelled like almost nothing. Okay, so that is what I got for the $25 for the QVC Tili box. I bet this comes really close to paying for it. I am sure the Win Cleansing Conditioner more than pays for it. We also received the Westmoreland Tinting Firming Gel, which we are definitely going to try. The Mind Tan Self-Tanning Drops. The Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric Face Exfoliant. The Good Jeans from Sunday Riley, the Peter Thomas Roth Collagen Moisturizer, a Win Truth perfume sample, and these adorable little mini nail stickers. So let me know below, what do you think? You can go over and sign up, but $25, you definitely get your money's worth if it's things you think you'll use, as with all subscription boxes. Let me know what you think below. Thank you so much for coming by today, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. I really want to introduce some new boxes to the channel, so I've been trying to decide which would suit us best, and I just can't decide. So if you have any ideas about what you think we should introduce, like let's just say that for April or May, I want to introduce a new box. What would you most like to see on the channel? Thank you so much again. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.